Optical communication is becoming a highly used method in transmitting information from one place to another. Substantial data could be easily transmitted through a beam of laser by using optical fiber wires. By modulating the laser beam, we can control the power of the beam and add information to it, which could be decoded and used as desired. The most common form of optical communication is used commonly in fiber optical wires, smoke signals, lighthouses, sign languages, etc. At the Electrical Engineering Department of the University of Utah, we made our own modulating device so that sound energy could be transmitted through a beam of laser light. The following experiment is a simple demonstration of the optical communication which explains the concept of encoding and decoding the information through a beam of light.
Hi, I'm a student at the Electrical Engineering Department at the University of Utah, and today we will learn how to transfer data by optical communication through the air. Well, before we start the experiment, let's go over the components which we will be using for this experiment. First thing we have is an MP3 player or a phone which will be used for the music. This wire is connected from this phone to this box right here. This box is also called a transmitter. A transmitter has a low-powered laser light in there, which will be beamed across to this box right here. This box is the receiver, which has an optical detector inside. The information will be sent through this wire to the amplifier, through which we can hear the music. To enhance our music experience, we have connected the speakers, which will be used on. Well, now that we have learned about all the components, let's see how this equipment works. First, we turn on the transmitter, and you will see a laser light pointing towards the receiver and hitting the optical detector. The key thing here is that the optical detector should receive the light, because if it's not pinpointed, you won't receive the signal. Now this equipment is connected together, and what I'll do is turn on the music from the phone, and we will hear music. So what exactly is happening here? Well, the phone is connected to this transmitter, as I told, and the music information is being sent to this transmitter. The laser inside the transmitter is converting the information in the form of light, and it's being modulated towards the receiver. The optical detector receives the information, and the circuit inside sends the information to the amplifier, and we can hear the music through the speakers. Well, now that you have learned how this equipment works, let's try something different. We have a mirror set up right here, and the laser light is being beamed on this mirror and then reflected towards the optical detector. Well, does that mean that this will work? Let's try it out. Well, it does work, and the reason it works is because the light is just reflected off the mirror, and as long as the optical detector receives the light or the information, we can hear the music through the speaker. Well, what happens if I block the light? We don't hear anything, and the reason is pretty obvious, because the optical detector receives no light and therefore no information, and we cannot hear anything. Well, now that you have learned about how this experiment works, enjoy the music.